In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert numbers to text in Microsoft Excel. This can be incredibly helpful when you're dealing with financial records, invoices, or any situation where you need numbers spelled out for clarity. Let's jump right in. First things first, fire up Microsoft Excel. Once you have the program open, the initial task is to add a new function known as number two words, which will help us transform those numbers into words. If you don't see a developer tab on your toolbar, don't worry. We can enable it in just a few easy steps. Start by clicking on File in the top left corner of your screen, then select Options from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear. Look for a section called Customize Ribbon. Within this section, there's a box labeled Main Tabs, and among these options, you'll find Developer. Make sure the box next to Developer is checked. Once you've done that, click OK. You'll now notice the Developer tab has appeared on your toolbar, making it easy to access some of Excel's more advanced features. Next, move over to the Developer tab. You'll see an option labeled Visual Basic. Clicking this will open the Visual Basic for Applications window where we can add our new custom function. Within the Visual Basic window, look towards the top for an Insert menu, click on it, and then select Module. This will open a blank coding space. Now here's where the magic happens. You need to enter the code for the number two words function. Although we're not creating this particular code from scratch today, you can easily find it online with a quick search. Once you have the code, either type it in or paste it directly into this module space. After you've pasted the code, ensure everything looks correct and then close the Visual Basic window to return to Excel. With the function now in place, let's see it in action. Choose a cell where you'd like Excel to display the text version of your number. Click onto that cell. Begin by typing the equal sign, which signals to Excel that you're entering a formula. Type number and Excel will provide a drop-down list of suggestions. Look for number two words and double-click on it. This action will add the function into your selected cell. You're almost there. Simply click on the cell that contains the number you wish to convert into words. Finally, press Enter and voila! You will see your number beautifully spelled out in text. And there you have it. The process of converting numbers to text in Microsoft Excel is now at your fingertips. Practice a couple of times and soon you'll be able to do it with ease. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other videos for more Excel tips and tricks.